Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Solana video update. And very quickly, you can always search for me on Adam Coins. I do create these contents for you for free, and I do put a lot of hours to actually do the technical analysis. So you can also go to YouTube and type in Adam Coins and like this video. And I also want to tell you that I'm on ShareStream, and I've been making some few videos on the ShareStream, and this is a platform to guide you into trading and different various other things, as well as stock markets, as well as also the bonds and currencies and different currencies. And if you want to learn how to make $10 per day, no jokes aside, really, if you want to know how to do that, I'm gonna teach you where you can buy and where you can sell, and you can go back to ShareVision, type in Adam Coins, and I do have a video for you. Earn $10 per day with two simple techniques. Okay, watch this video, it's gonna save you a ton. If you use that technique to your best advantage, you can actually end up making some money, and you're gonna appreciate that someone taught you this video. No one does that for free, but I decided to go and create that video for free for you. Otherwise, people tell me to take money. Okay, so let's talk about Solana. And Solana, what is it doing, and what is the direction of the Solana as well. Okay, I'm gonna pull the chart in there. I'm gonna switch into the 4-hour time frame as well, so we can discuss things much more clear. Now, things are looking a little bit weird. It's like we're having a side consolidation at the moment, and you can see that we broke out of this inverse head and shoulder, which was on the hourly. That's your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder as well. Now, whenever you break out of something, a quick recap, you come down to retest to go farther towards the upside. But at the moment, look at this support. We actually lost the support, and we came down here, and we were consolidating just a little bit on the sideways right now. But we do have a big support level at $241. If you start to lose this level, if you start to see Solana come down below this level, fail the retest, it could go very down to the 232, because we have an area of influence. This was your last swing high right there, and you also had this low right there. Okay, you made a firm support right here, and you had a swing high right there. So this makes it a big level of support right there. If I turn on the Gaussian channel as well, you can see on the Gaussian channel, the Gaussian channel is actually trying to creep up near this area. Do you see this? It's trying to go nearly the 241. Okay, and you can also see the middle channel could follow along. It could creep up a little bit and find support at this level. Okay, but what is the median channel right now? What's the price in here? That's like 225, and the lowest band is at 213. So you could, if Solana ever actually comes down a little bit, this one could go up just like that. This one can move up a little bit. This can go up just like that, and we can bounce. Just come out a little bit down here and bounce from here. So we do have a big level of support at the $241 region. We are not losing this anytime soon. We're just consolidating a little bit towards the sideways. We're moving sideways, but there's a decision we could even pop towards the downside if you lose this support right there, and you could start buying. For those people who are looking for a nice, good, sweet entry, you can enter at the $232 region. Now, for me personally, I do have a personal opinion, because this was your last swing high, $218 just there, and this can make a very big support level if you lose the 232 as well. Okay, you might do something like this, come down, the Gaussian channel follows up in the middle, you lose the Gaussian channel, you come down, and the lower band of the Gaussian channel can come near the $218, and that was also your last swing high. Now, this is a short-term thing and nothing to panic, nothing to worry about. I'm just going to hide the Gaussian channel as well, and what I want to tell you is we are still on an upper trend. Okay, nothing bearish. These are just small corrections in the market, and they're healthy. The red you see, the greener they're gonna become. Trust me. Okay, we are moving in a waveform, and I'm going to say this every single time, that there's nothing bad with red candles. Okay, just hold. It does create a disturbance, but hold. You can hold it. Okay, because if I take the top to the bottom, I'm going to show you this top to the bottom right there. Actually, I'm going to zoom in just like that. Take this the last all-time high to the and the bottom right there. I'm going to place my Fibonacci retracements, and for me, we've already crossed the 0.618, and along the way we are on a journey to $315. Who knows, in November I do think we're going to get $315. Okay, and I'm going to remove the Fibonacci retracement. Let's talk about the RSI as well. Okay, diving into the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to zoom in, just zoom in a little bit right there, and I'm going to show you a bearish divergence that was playing out. Many people might not have noticed this one, but I did, and I'm going to bring the RSI just a little bit above it like that. And when the prices were moving, they were climbing towards the upside, the RSI was going towards the downside, and this is something that I didn't pay attention to until it caught my eyes at the moment. And there's a level of support that we've already lost. You see this, if I draw a trend line like this one, like this, okay, you can already see that we used to have support right there, touch right there, touch right there, another touch right there, a few touches right here as well. But now on the RSI as well, we're losing that support. Do you see this? We're losing that support just as we lost the support right there, and we're moving down. So could we see the prices actually come down to 232? That has yet to be decided if we're ever going to lose this level. And the RSI as well can come down to nearly the 3028 region, and this could be an ideal entry if this one comes down, this one comes down as well, and you can re-enter if you want a new entry. Now there's one more thing as well. I'm going to just close the RSI in there, and I'm going to show you a level of support. So I'm going to treat this recent swing high to the low right there, and let's set the Fibonacci from top there to the bottom just like that. Okay, and at the moment, actually not this one, not this one, yeah, this, sorry, my bad, right there, this one. I'm going to talk about this one really quickly. I'm going to take the top to the bottom just like that, and we are finding a some sort of support nearly the, I'm just going to draw this perfectly, yeah, just like that. We are finding the next level of support at the 1.272. Recently, if I just zoom in a little bit here before I end the video, we did find a big level of support at the 1.414. Oh my goodness. Excuse me for that. Yeah, today I'm sober, I don't know why. Today I'm kind of lazy, and this one here, you find support at the 1.414, bounced off that, and you can already see if you ever lose this level, come down to the 1.414, you could even very well bounce from the $238, but the next level of support is the 1.272, which is the $231. Now it does make sense because when you cross the golden ratio, the target has already been met, and I've made a video in the past as well. We crossed the 0.618. Do you see that? And I used to tell you the next level is $250, and this is where we were taking profits back in those videos. But at the moment, you never know, Bitcoin might be so bullish and we can move towards the upside. Okay, so I don't recommend you selling, and if it ever rolls a little bit down, just there you can start buying here, and the next level you can start buying at $218 if it was to come down. So that's it for Solana update today. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.